Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Infinite Manifestations, where we explore the boundless power that lies within you. Have you ever felt a deep longing to unlock the extraordinary potential that resides within your being? Have you ever wondered about the untapped depths of your spiritual connection and the mysteries of the universe you inhabit? If so, then you're not alone. Deep within each of us lies a wellspring of spiritual power, an untapped reservoir of energy waiting to be discovered and unleashed. This power is not about supernatural abilities or extraordinary feats. It's about reconnecting with your true essence, tapping into the wisdom of your higher self, and aligning yourself with the boundless energy of the universe. In this captivating journey, we'll embark on a quest to awaken your spiritual power, guiding you through the transformative process of self-discovery and awakening. Together, we'll explore the hidden depths of your being, uncover the profound truths that lie within, and discover the limitless possibilities that await you. Prepare to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Awaken your spiritual power and unlock the boundless potential that lies within. Let's embark on this extraordinary adventure together, and together, we'll create a life of infinite possibilities. Nestled within the depths of your being lies an extraordinary essence, a spiritual spark that connects you to the very fabric of existence. To awaken your spiritual power, the first step is to recognize and embrace this divine nature. Imagine yourself as a radiant star, pulsating with an ethereal glow. Recognize that you are not merely a physical being but a manifestation of the divine, a spark of consciousness that emanates from the infinite source. True spiritual power is not confined to the intellect or the ego. It flows from the depths of your heart, where love and compassion reside. Open your heart to the world, radiating empathy and understanding for all beings. Practice kindness and generosity, extending love and compassion to yourself and those around you. As you cultivate compassion, you tap into the boundless reservoir of love that exists within you, fueling your spiritual transformation. Beneath the surface of your conscious mind lies a profound wisdom, a wellspring of intuition that guides you towards your true path. To awaken your spiritual power, you must learn to listen to the whispers of your inner voice. Engage in practices that enhance your intuition, such as meditation, journaling, and spending time in nature. As you cultivate your intuitive abilities, you become more attuned to the subtle guidance that directs your life. The universe is not a cold, indifferent void. It is a living, breathing entity imbued with a profound consciousness, a divine presence that permeates all existence. To awaken your spiritual power, you must forge a connection with this divine essence. Practice spiritual disciplines that deepen your connection to the divine, such as prayer, meditation, and connecting with nature. As you open yourself to the divine, you receive guidance, inspiration, and a sense of peace and serenity. Embark on this transformative journey of spiritual awakening and discover the boundless power that lies dormant within you. As you awaken to your true essence, you become a beacon of light, illuminating the world with love, compassion, and wisdom. There are many reasons why you should awaken your spiritual power. Here are just a few of the benefits. Increased self-awareness and understanding. As you awaken your spiritual power, you will gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. You will become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and motivations, and you will learn to live in alignment with your true purpose. Greater peace and serenity. When you are connected to your spiritual power, you experience a sense of inner peace and serenity that is difficult to describe. You are no longer at the mercy of your emotions or external circumstances, and you find that you can handle life's challenges with grace and equanimity. Enhanced intuition and creativity. Your intuition is a powerful tool that can guide you in your life decisions. As you awaken your spiritual power, you will become more attuned to your intuition, and you will be able to trust your inner guidance more fully. You will also find that your creativity flows more freely, and you are able to express yourself in new and innovative ways. Deeper connections with others. When you are aligned with your spiritual power, you radiate love and compassion, and you attract people who are also on a spiritual path. Your relationships become more fulfilling, and you experience a deeper sense of connection with others, greater service to others. As you awaken your spiritual power, you will feel a stronger desire to serve others. You will use your talents and abilities to make a positive difference in the world, and you will find great joy and fulfillment in doing so. In short, awakening your spiritual power is a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and enlightenment. It's a path that leads to a life of greater peace, love, joy, and purpose. If you are ready to embark on this transformative journey, I encourage you to start today. Have you noticed any of the following signs? As you awaken to your spiritual essence, you may experience a deep sense of inner peace and tranquility that feels almost otherworldly. This tranquility stems from a profound connection to your true self, the part of you that is untouched by the turbulence of the outside world. Your intuition may become more acute during a spiritual awakening, allowing you to receive guidance and insights from your inner voice. Synchronicities or meaningful coincidences may also become more frequent, revealing a deeper interconnectedness between you and the universe. As you open your heart to the world, you may experience a profound increase in compassion and empathy for others. You may find yourself more sensitive to the suffering of others and more motivated to help them. Also, your priorities and values may change significantly as you awaken to your spiritual nature. Material possessions may become less important, while experiences that foster personal growth and connection become more meaningful. And last, but not least, you may begin to feel a clearer sense of purpose and direction in your life as you awaken spiritually. You may discover that you are here to make a difference in the world, and that your unique talents and abilities can be used to serve others. Spiritual power and psychic power are often confused with each other, but they are two distinct concepts. Spiritual power is a universal energy that exists within all beings. It is the source of our connection to the divine, our ability to love and compassion, and our capacity for growth and transformation. Spiritual power is not about supernatural abilities or extraordinary feats. It is about tapping into the inherent goodness and potential that reside within each of us. Psychic power, on the other hand, is a more specific type of energy that allows individuals to perceive information beyond the five senses. This information can include thoughts, feelings, images, and even events that are happening in the past, present, or future. Psychic power can be developed through various practices, such as meditation, visualization, and working with energy fields. In essence, spiritual power is about aligning with our true selves and living a life of purpose and meaning, while psychic power is about using our senses to perceive information that is beyond our ordinary perception. Both are powerful tools that can be used to enhance our lives and connect us to the world around us. As you embark on this transformative journey of spiritual awakening, embrace the profound power that lies within you. You are not merely a physical being. You are a radiant expression of the divine, a vessel of infinite potential waiting to be unleashed. Cultivate a deep connection with your inner essence, nurture your compassion, and tune into the wisdom of your intuition. As you open yourself to the vastness of the universe, you will discover a world of boundless possibilities. Remember, the path to spiritual awakening is not a race. It is a dance with your true self. Be gentle with yourself, embrace the journey, and celebrate every step forward. Together, let us illuminate the world with our spiritual power, becoming beacons of love, compassion, and wisdom. Together, we can transform our lives and create a world that reflects the beauty and harmony of the universe. So, take a deep breath, dear beautiful souls, and step into the extraordinary adventure of awakening your spiritual power. The world is waiting for the radiant light that lies within you. In a world that is becoming increasingly complex, your light is now more needed than ever. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.